Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 15th of July, 2024. The record run continued on Dale Street on the second consecutive session on July 15th, with Nifty climbing to fresh all-time high amid buying across the sectors, barring information technology. At close, the Sensex was up 145.52 points or 0.18% at 80,664.86, and the Nifty was up 84.55 points or 0.35% at 24,586.70. ONGC, Shriram Finance, SBI Life Insurance, Bajaj Auto and SBI were among the top gainers on the Nifty, while losers were LTI Mindtree, Asian Paints, Grazim Industries, Tata Steel and Axis Bank. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of Zen Technologies Limited jumped 5% to 1,361 rupees to be locked in the upper circuit on July 15th after it said it introduced AI-powered robots and launched for defense products. The company launched new IP-owned defense products for global security in collaboration with its subsidiary, AI Turing Technologies. These products include Hawkeye, Barbaric URCWS, Ultralight Remote Control Weapon Station, Prahasta, and Thurstab 640. Here's a small description of each launch. Hawkeye, an advanced anti-drone system camera with multiple sensor modules capable of tracking drones up to 15 kilometers in all weather conditions, ensuring continuous threat detection and heightened security. Barbaric, URCWS, recognized as the world's lightest remote-controlled weapon station, Barbaric, URCWS offers precise targeting capabilities for ground vehicles and naval vessels, optimizing battlefield effectiveness and minimizing operational risks. Prahasta, an automated quadruped equipped with LiDAR and reinforcement learning technology, Prahasta offers real-time 3D terrain mapping for mission planning, navigation, and threat assessment. It supports various caliber weapons and is a versatile tool for frontline defense operations. Thurstab 640, designed for armored vehicles, boats, and ICVs, Thurstab 640 features an advanced stabilized sight system using fiber optic gyroscope technology. It enhances situational awareness with automatic search and tracking capabilities, supporting a wide range of weapon systems from 12.7 mm to 30 mm. AUROBINDO PHARMA shares zoomed over 6% to a fresh record high of 1,409.9 rupees on July 15th as investors lapped up the stock ahead of its board meeting to consider a buyback plan on July 18th. If approved, this will mark the first ever buyback program to be executed by the drug maker. The buyback of equity shares could either be through the tender offer route or through the open market route. The news of a probable buyback also tipped off a spike in volumes in the counter as 45 lakh shares changed hands on the exchanges so far, 3 times the 1-month daily traded average of 15 lakh shares. Shares of AUROBINDO PHARMA have also delivered over 90% returns in the past year, thanks to the improving prospects of generic drug makers amid easing price pressure and drug shortages in the US market. Aside from the current discussions over a buyback, the company split its shares and issued a bonus share in 2015. Since then, there have been no further bonus issues by the company or a stock split. In between, AUROBINDO PHARMA has paid interim dividends to shareholders ranging between 1 rupee to 4.5 rupees per share. The highest dividend of 4.5 rupees per share was paid in 2022, based on available records. Shares of Apollo Microsystems were locked at 5% upper circuit at 109.76 rupees per share on July 15th after it secured an order by the Indian Army for procurement of vehicle-mounted counter-swarm drone system under Make-I category of DAP 2020. Despite the rise, the stock of this defense component maker has declined over 3% so far this year, as compared to 13% surge in the benchmark Nifty 50 index. Earlier, Apollo Micro shares had hit 52-week high of 161 rupees per piece on November 20, 2023. In an exchange filing, Apollo Micro said that it was shortlisted keeping in view of its capability and awarded Make-I project by the Indian Army. This project is a very prestigious and first Make-II project for the company, they noted. As a Make-II project, there will be no cost obligation involved, it added. The company will be required to deliver the order in 85 weeks for single-stage composite trials and staff evaluation. Earlier, Apollo Micro's revenues had increased by 26.7% on-year in the March-ended quarter, while profit jumped by 79.3% year-on-year. The company's operating income also rose by 38% YoY in Q4 financial year 2024. Rail Vikas Nigam share price hits 52-week high of 647 rupees in the opening trade on July 15 after the company received a project from Central Railway. RVNL received letter of acceptance from Central Railway for OHE modification work for upgradation of existing 1x25 kV electric traction system to 2x25 kV at feeding system in Wardha Balashar section in Nagpur division of Central Railway to meet 3,000 metric tons loading target, company said in its exchange filing. 3.06 million shares of RVNL traded in two different blocks, reported Bloomberg. Last week, the company secured a letter of acceptance from Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporation, Nagpur Metro, for constructing 6 elevated metro stations under Reach 2B of NMRP Phase 2. These stations include Cantonment, Camp T Police Station, Camp T Municipal Council, Dragon Palace, Golf Club, and Kanhan River Metro Station, with a total project cost of 187.3 for rupees crore. The project is scheduled to be completed in 30 months. Dev Information Technology Limited in daily time frame is trading around 145.35 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 2.197 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 125.90, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 72.38. Aravind & Company Shipping Agencies Limited in daily time frame is trading around 87.30 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 723,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 63.38, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 82.82. Keynote Financial Services Limited in daily time frame is trading around 256.92 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 58.389 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 207.23, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 88.59. For the stock recommendation we have, Indraprastha Gas Limited looks good and can be bought at 534 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 515 rupees and a target of 553 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.